Here at Universal Rocks, we're always pushing boundaries of what's possible with artificial rock designs. We've made rocks you can sleep in, sit on, and even lift easily. We've done it all. But we need something new, something wild.
I got it.
This is perfect. Introducing the invisible rock.
All it needs water, son.
Look, have a seat.
Oh, look at this, baby.
I was skeptical at first, but now I can't imagine my life without the invisible rock.
Courtney made one invisible rock. For sale.
But when customer arrive,
It's good. They know what to expect.
you not look. Why is invisible?
It's extra light.
Nice.